Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to today's special video. Let's embark on an inspiring and creative journey where a dream comes true and an old car gets a spectacular makeover to become a luxurious mobile home. Before our eyes is a dilapidated car with peeling paint and a dilapidated interior. To many, it is nothing more than a pile of scrap metal. But to a passionate and enthusiastic young man, it is like a blank canvas, ready for creative strokes. He began removing the seats from the floor, one by one. With each seat removed, he felt as if he were freeing the car from the burden of its past. The old floor will also be removed. The headliner is worn, the upholstery is torn, and the plywood inside is rotten from moisture. You will have to carefully use a box cutter and special tools to separate each section of the headliner from the frame without damaging the remaining parts. This young man had always dreamed of having his own mobile home to explore the roads. With a little savings and a strong determination, he decided to buy this car, despite the objections of his friends and family. "It's going to be great," he told himself, his eyes shining with faith and hope. He will remove all the old or damaged parts, making sure not to miss a single detail in preparation for the next challenging renovation. After many hours of continuous work, Min had succeeded in removing all the old interior of the car. He looked around, the car was empty, but no longer felt cramped and rotten. The exterior of the car is too old, the paint is faded and peeling everywhere. Rust streaks are clearly visible on the surface. Many external parts have been severely damaged. The car, after many years of being forgotten, is now like a warrior who has been through many battles, carrying the wounds of time. They must be dismantled and repaired. The paint surface will need to be smoothed and repainted, helping the car after completion, not only beautiful on the inside, but also shiny on the outside. After completing the basic repairs, start planning the interior design of your mobile home. First, the floor of the vehicle will be covered with a layer of hard foam. On top of the hard foam will be the wooden floor. They will be glued together with silicone glue. The wooden bars will be installed interlaced together, creating a sturdy frame for the space inside the car. The broken glass will also be replaced. To ensure the air in the car is always fresh, he made a bold decision, punched a hole in the ceiling of the car, and installed a ventilation fan in it. An indispensable part in the process of turning a car into an ideal mobile home is the electrical system, a factor that ensures that all activities inside take place smoothly and stably. To be able to enjoy long trips without worrying about energy sources, he chose 3 large-capacity solar panels securely installed on the roof of the car. This system allows him to live freely and comfortably without having to worry about the lack of electricity for daily needs. The electrical lines inside the car will also be neatly arranged. Foam panels will be glued to the car's side for sound and heat insulation. Wooden panels will be installed to create walls for the interior space. He has selected the most perfect wooden bars for this step. With careful preparation, his car will surely last over time. After a long day of thinking, he decided to create a unique highlight for the car ceiling. Cut the wooden bars into rectangular pieces and sand each corner of the wooden pieces. These wooden pieces will be glued together, interwoven like an artistic mosaic. Cut off the excess and drill a square hole in the middle. Paint it black and install LED lights. Next, he will fix it to the car ceiling and assemble the remaining details. To make the wood more durable, he will paint a layer of black protective paint on the surface. In addition to protecting it, it also makes the interior space more luxurious. This guy is a music lover, so a high-quality sound system is indispensable in his mobile home. He decided to install a modern sound system with a subwoofer and a sophisticated sound processor, all neatly arranged in a special box. This box will not only be a place to store audio equipment, but also help optimize the sound in the car space. With this system, he can enjoy his favorite music with top-notch sound quality during long trips, turning every journey into a great musical experience. LED lighting system will be installed on the ceiling of the car to create highlights. Next, he will design the interior in detail. The space in the car is not large, so he needs to optimize every square meter to create a comfortable but spacious living environment. With his ingenuity and experience, he has found a way to take advantage of every smallest space to make the car versatile and comfortable. He designed a smart dining table that could be pulled out when in use and folded like a drawer when not in use. He mounted a TV on a sliding rail on the wall so it could be moved flexibly. He also uses his creativity and experience in woodworking to design other furniture items. With 10 years of experience in traditional carpentry, he easily creates furniture that is compact, modern, and sophisticated. His kitchen cabinet is a testament to this ingenuity. The cabinet door is made from small wooden slats arranged intertwined, creating an eye-catching pattern and a soft feel. Not only beautiful, this design also allows the door to open and close easily while helping to circulate air inside the cabinet, avoiding mold. He decided to arrange a spacious and comfortable sofa in the central space of the car. Under the sofa, he installed smart cabinets, helping to store things neatly and conveniently. The sofa can not only be folded to become a soft bed at night, but can also be opened to become an ideal place to receive guests for evening gatherings with friends. The sliding doors will also be installed completely to help the space look neater. To complete this space, he chose to cover the floor of the area with high-quality wood, bringing luxury and warmth to the car's interior. Next, he planned a lovely small kitchen, cleverly arranged in a corner of the car. The kitchen includes a mini gas stove and a compact refrigerator, meeting the needs of cooking and preserving food on long trips. The small drawers were cleverly designed by him, providing ideal storage space for essential items such as dishes, cooking utensils, and spices. Next to the stove, he arranged a sink with a modern and sophisticated design. Installing the water system was a big challenge for him. He needed a clean water system and a sewage system, but the space in the car was very limited. After many days of research, he found a way to use small water tanks placed under the floor of the car and use a mini pump to bring water to the sink and shower. Min cleverly installed the sewage system so that the wastewater could flow out when needed. The 2 seats in the cockpit will also be replaced. The rear door has a lot of rust that needs to be repaired. He made a new set of wooden door panels for it. With the bulk of the work done, Min decided to focus on the final details to complete his mobile home. He started by finishing the window frames and vents, using high-quality materials to ensure durability and beauty. Every corner was meticulously handled, creating a sense of solidity and harmony throughout the space. Seeing a small space left near the kitchen area, he decided to install an additional shelf. He chose a shelf design with several compact compartments. This shelf will be an ideal place to store necessary items for trips, from books, personal items to other small items. A few LED bars will be installed to create highlights. The cockpit will also be completely repainted. He chose a trendy black and white color scheme for the repainting, creating a modern and powerful feel. The entertainment screen is an indispensable item. It can view maps, view the rear camera, and is a great support for long trips. So after a long journey full of challenges and creativity, the young man has completed his mobile home. From an old car, it has now become a comfortable, modern, and warm living space.